Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best tabletop fountains that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Homedics Relaxation Indoor Tabletop Fountain. The elegant indoor tabletop water fountain is perfect for your bedside table, bathroom sink, or office desk. This indoor fountain will calm your nerves and give a positive vibe to the environment. The 3-tiered waterfall with natural stones and a large basin allows the water to flow naturally and generates tranquil water streams. You can operate the fountain with an automatic pump and an on-off switch by plugging the power cord. Fill the basin up to the water fill line and enjoy the serene waterfall at home. It has subtle lighting that gives the waterfall a beautiful glow and creates a soothing ambiance. The fountain weighs 1 pound and measures 8.1 x 7.25 x 8.25 inches. This video demonstrates how the product works. Moving on at number 4, we have Alpine Corporation Tabletop Fountain. The Alpine Rustic 3-tier tabletop fountain is what you need to relax your senses after a long day at work. It has an interior pump that keeps the water flowing rhythmically. The weathered stone-like pillars made of cast stone imitate the rocks in a natural waterfall, thus generating a serene sound of a waterfall in the house. It can be easily placed in your home or outdoors on the patio. The fountain has 3 tea light candles placed conveniently on the pillars to create a more relaxing atmosphere. It comes with a year-long warranty, weighs 2.75 pounds, and is 9 by 9 by 11 inches in dimensions. At number 3, we have Spinning Orbrock Cascading Tabletop Fountain. While the previous fountain featured a stone-based design, it didn't look completely natural due to the presence of chiseled lines running along its surface. This stone tabletop fountain, however, looks completely natural. The stones form a step-like formation, with the water falling down a few pools before finally reaching the bottom. The previous stone fountain gave of the feeling of erosion, sure, but this one takes it to the next level, as you could very well believe that erosion was behind the formation of this fountain. This indoor water feature is a perfect addition for home, office, or anywhere you want to add a relaxing touch. This fountain brings soothing quality to your home, helping to achieve healthier air humidity levels all around you. At number 2, we have Bits and Pieces, Indoor Waterlily Water Fountain. You may have seen a tabletop fountain in the shape of stones, but have you seen one in the shape of an actual plant? This fountain breaks traditional norms and uses a carefully designed array of petals and leaves to mimic the standard arrangement of tabletop fountains. Only instead of using stone, it uses metallic petals to hold and pour the water. Because the design of the fountain is in the shape of the flower, it appears as though it is completely natural, despite a sight like this being nearly impossible for actual plants. It's still charming in its own way, though, and if you love gardening and botany, this type of tabletop fountain may suit you better than the others found on this list. And finally at number 1, Alpine Corporation WIN 622 Tabletop Fountain. Enjoy the meditative sounds of nature indoors with the Alpine Corporation Leaf Tabletop Fountain. Take in the tranquil sounds of the water gently cascading over natural-looking leaves and aged bark in the comfort of your own home. This fountain is perfect for tabletops in your office, entryway, or out on your patio or yard. The resin, stone powder, and fiberglass construction is weatherproof, rust-resistant, and durable for years of quality use. LED lights illuminate your space, drawing attention to the relaxing water pools day or night for added ambiance. To use, simply plug into an outlet, fill lower level with water, and watch as the interior pump creates a lovely water flow reminiscent of a lush rainforest.